Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Programming World. In this video I am going to discuss how you can check an alphabet is vowel or consonant. At first, let's see the code to be execute this program. After this I will discuss how the code is working. Now I will take a character type variable, that is alphabet insert L. And now we will print some message to the user. So printf enter an alphabet. After this, we will store this user input value in variable L. So scanf now we will check the alphabet is in A, E, I, O, U or not. If alphabet equal to small a or alphabet equal to capital A or alphabet equal to small e, then it will print the alphabet is a vowel. Else if the alphabet is in A to Z, then it will print the alphabet is a consonant. So alphabet greater than equal to small a and alphabet less than equal to small z, or alphabet greater than equal to capital A and alphabet less than equal to small capital Z. Then it will print the alphabet is consonant. Else it will print the character is not any alphabet. Let's check the code is working or not. Here I will take E. The alphabet is a vowel, so the code is working appropriately. Let's see how the code is working. Here we are taking an alphabet from user and storing it in variable AL. After this, in if block, it will check the alphabet is equal to A or equal to E or equal to I, O or U. If one condition in this if block comes true, then it will print the alphabet is a vowel. Otherwise, it will come to the else if block and it will check the alphabet is in A to Z or not. If these conditions get true, then it will print the alphabet is consonant. Because in this previous if block we have already taken out all the vowels and the rest also are consonant. So in this block it will print the alphabet is consonant. And if these two blocks will get false, then it will come to the else block and it will print the character is not any alphabet. So hope you understand how you can check an alphabet is vowel or consonant. If you have any question, then comment below and also subscribe my channel to get programming related all videos.